Do you love journaling, but you don't have enough journal supplies and money to buy them? No worries, this video is for you. Today I will show you how you can easily make journal supplies at home with just a few materials. So, let's start. Journal means writing your thoughts in a notebook in a beautiful way. So the importance of notebooks for journaling is very high. If the notebook is attractive, then our journal will also be attractive. I am making a kawaii them journal today, so my notebook is also kawaii them. You will make a notebook with a design like them or the kind of journaling you do. Then it will be more attractive. Stickers are very important to make a journal beautiful. If we can make beautiful stickers for our journal and use them properly, then our journal will become much more beautiful. Well, do you know that there are many advantages to making something with your own hands? For example, if you buy journal supplies from a store, they might not be completely to your liking. But when you make them yourself, you can make them exactly as you like.
I've waited so long, can't but feel my patience fading, waiting for your love. Oh, my heart is aching, got me wishing my soul was made for yours, my dear. Oh, and my heart is missing yours, I fear.
Pattern paper is another part of making our journal beautiful. The more beautiful the pattern paper, the more beautiful, unique, and attractive our journal will be. You can make your own pattern paper exactly as you like.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And
Washi tape is also very important for journaling. If our washi tape is beautiful, then our journal will be beautiful too. Right, when I first learned about journaling, I really wanted to journal. But I didn't have that much money to buy journal supplies. Then I thought that since I'm a crafter, I could make my own journal supplies. Then I made them, and I saw that they were really beautiful.
I love the way you sound, your voice enticing. Can't help but keep you around. No need to fight it, yeah. 'Cause I know you are obsessed with me. Hard to have no sympathy.
A beautiful journal requires sticky notes. However, in the case of the journal, we will make a slightly different kind of sticky notes. It will be a little unique and designable, which will make our journal a little more attractive. Today's video ends here. One thing, I love craft, but I'm not a good crafter at all. My handmade things are very messy, but I always try my best. And as a new YouTuber, my video quality and editing are very bad. And this is my first video. You can support me if you want. And yes, those of you who love journaling will definitely make your own journal supply. Well, can you tell me how many times I said the word journal in the video? If you can, tell me in the comments.